welcome here. Well, are you a lady struggling with candidiasis? Yes, what we normally call white. Okay, this comes about in a number of factors or in numerous factors. You can get it by, it's transferable. Okay, it can be by going to the washroom and not cleaning the washroom properly. You just sit on it. If someone has it and the bacteria are on the seat, if you sit on it as a lady, you can also contract this. Okay, sometimes it comes about by wearing nylon underwears. Okay, the best underwears to wear is cotton underwears. Really helps you as a lady. Okay, so please avoid nylons underwears, even the long underwears we wear, underpants. Okay, avoid the nylon ones, buy cotton ones, which is very helpful and helps prevent candidiasis. Excessive heat is one factor that brings about candidiasis as a lady. Okay, if you also eat too much sugary foods, it also brings about candidiasis. So try your best to avoid all this. Try your best. You can eat sugar, but limit the intake of sugar. Wear cotton clothing, cotton underwears. Okay, anytime you are using a public restroom, make sure you have your Dettol with you. Okay, if you don't have the Dettol with you, like mix it in a container. You can have it this way, mix it. Okay, and once you get into the washroom, take tissue. Okay, sprinkle this all over the seat. Take your tissue and wipe the surface of the seat. Okay, the WC, the surface, wipe it before you sit on it. Okay, this is very helpful as the Dettol is going to take care of any bacteria or germs on the seat, and this is going to help you prevent any candidiasis or white, as we may say. Anyways, if you already have it and you're looking for ways of treating it, I do have something great here for you. Ta-da! Yes, this is cloves. Okay, this is cloves, and this is bagaura. This works, guys. This works. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use this together with this, and then ginger. Okay, if you have ginger, wash it thoroughly, and we are going to add it together and cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. And when this is ready, we drink it. We drink this. We don't do anything other. We drink this, and this is going to help fight all those bacteria that are causing the candidiasis. Okay, this really works. So do not go anywhere. I'll teach you the process of doing this, and it's going to help you. Take this after it's ready. Take it morning, evening. Within 3 days, you are going to see results. Yes, within 3 days, when you are diligent and you take this, within 3 days, you are going to see results. So do not go anywhere. I'm going to teach you how to do this the right way. So you can find bagaura at any organic or herbal shop close to you. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll type the name in my description so you get it. Okay, this is bagaura. This is how it looks. Okay, so after you wash it thoroughly and you add it together with ginger and then cloves. You can also get cloves at the market. Okay, this is how cloves looks like. Okay, so you're not going to blend this. You're just going to hit it or cut it into pieces. Okay. This way. Okay. This is what we have. Okay, I've already washed this, and I've washed this. I've not washed this here, but this is not, it doesn't have any dirt on. Okay, so normally I don't wash. So you have your water here. What you're going to do is to add your bagaura. Take some cloves, not too like 1 tablespoon of cloves, add it to it, and your ginger. Okay, like 3 finger of ginger. Add it to your mixture. This is how it looks. This is how it looks in the water. Okay, so we are going to set this on fire. When it starts boiling actively for like 5 minutes, we turn off the fire and allow it to cool. Then we drain it. Okay, so let's set this on fire. So we're going to set this on fire. Okay, allow this to boil for like 5 minutes and then we take it off the fire. So as you can see, it has started boiling. So I'm going to allow this to boil for 5 minutes and then I'm going to take this off. Okay, this is really helpful to all ladies out there, okay, do this and trust me, you will come back here to say thank you. I've done this before. I've done this for my children. My girl, when she goes to school and she comes back, she'll complain of having some discharge and all that. I did this for her and she took, within 3 to 4 days, she was okay. All right. So I think it's ready. It's ready. Allow it to cool. Okay, allow it to cool. And when it cools, you can strain it into the glass. All right. Okay. You can also strain it while it's still hot because in the glass it's not going to burst. But before you can drink, you have to allow it to cool. Okay. So let's strain this. Make sure you have something like this, okay, for straining, and then you have a funnel. Okay. I have some here. This I did, and then it's been in the fridge for some time. Anytime I feel like taking just a little, I take. Okay. This is how it is. Okay, as you can see, I've already made this. I thought of sharing with you the benefits of this and then how you can also do it to manage your candidiasis. Okay, so let's strain this. Okay. So this is your herbal tea, I should say. Herbal tea, it's ready for you. It's not bitter, it's not sweet, it's just normal. It tastes like water. Yeah, it's not bitter. You just feel a little bit herbs, cloves and stuff in it, but it's not bitter at all. Okay, so you can try this. You can try this out for your kids if they have problems with candidiasis, especially if they are over 12 years. Okay, you can try this out for them, and this works. All right, this works. It's very hot, so I cannot drink now. This works. Okay, trust me. You can get bagawura, as I said, at any organic shop or herbal shop. This is cooked, so this is how it looks after it's cooked. So you can get this bagawura at any herbal shop. Okay, you add your ginger to it and you add your cloves. Okay, you add your cloves. Cook this for 5 minutes. After strain it, you can store it in the fridge and be drinking, as I said, morning and evening. If it's even 100 ml you drink, 100 ml morning, you take it after your meals, 100 ml morning, 100 ml evening, or even before your meal, 30 minutes before your meals, you can take it. Okay, and this is really good for you, trust me. Okay, if you find this video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, support me, comment, share this video to reach as many as it can. Okay, because this is a problem most ladies are facing, yet they do not know what to do. Instead of inserting certain things or buying certain chemicals and all that, this is what God has given to us. So let's make use of it. Bagarura, ginger, and cloves, and your problem will be sorted. Okay, so try this out and you will thank me later. Bye.